picture me breaking your hairdryer.
I'm filming you.
You're filming me? Filming me breaking your hairdryer? What happened to that thing? Don't answer on video, it's incriminating. Does the soundtrack go good? I think this is meant to come apart. There's only one screw in the whole thing. What do you left? Is that funny? I think I broke it. It's got snaps in it, man. I don't think it's not supposed to come apart.
What are you gonna do?
Put it back together and hope it works. I don't think it wants to go back together. Okay, look at that. Probably should put that first. What do you think? Think it'll work? It's the great thing about electronics. You take them apart, you put them back together, and they work great. Well, there's only one setting. It works though. High.
Thanks.
The setting is high. Does that sound normal? See? I fixed it. It's got one setting. I took out the unnecessary setting. And it works great. There you go. See? Who said I'm not handy?